Who does it? Who does that? Who does that?
And he does this. And then he does this.
Who does that?
Derek Jeter. And Jamal Robbins and Jamal. Those are my buddies.
What? Those are your buddies?
Yeah.
Aww. Show me how you pitch the ball.
Yeah.
Woo! That was a good one. You gonna be a baseball player?
Yep. Like Derek Jeter. I'm gonna go to, when I grow up, I'm gonna play like Derek Jeter at Yankee Stadium.
In Yankee Stadium?
Yep. And they're gonna watch me.
All right.
I'm gonna be Derek Jeter.
I'm gonna come there and sit there like we watch them. I'm gonna watch you.
Yep.
Can you get me really good seats though?
Yep.
I want to sit really close.
Still really close.
Okay.
Still hit.